is up, YouTube fam? What is up? And today I'm gonna be making. I'm sick by the way, so but I still had to get this video out for y'all. So yeah, but I'm making a slime video today. It was requested by my best friend Avery in the other video. So she requested me to do another slime video, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So if you didn't watch the vlog, I bought this yesterday, and for the slime, it's gonna be glitter slime, and you're gonna need that eye wash. Well, it's actually optional. Works same as contact solution, shaving cream, and laundry detergent that I forgot. So I'm gonna take my bowl because I just went to go get the laundry detergent. So I'm gonna take my bowl, and as always, I'm going to start by squeezing some glue in the bowl. Oh yeah, excuse me. Sorry, y'all. Ooh. Okay, then next I'm gonna take some laundry detergent in. Basically you do the same thing every time you make slime. You know, it's nothing new except I add I'm sorry, y'all. Add a new design to it. Okay, so next I'm gonna take. Well, I'm gonna put the eye wash in. Sorry if I sound like a bub or something, y'all. I'm just sick. I'm sorry to sound like that. But I'm gonna mix all of it up and then I'll be right back. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So I finished it. I added the glitter, the green glitter, as you can see. And this that's the little stretchy slime. So yeah, guys. Alright, so next we're going to be making foamy slime. So I already put the rest of the stuff in there. Now I'm just adding some shaving cream. And then I'm going to add silver glitter. And shake it in there. And then I'm going to mix it up. Okay, so I just finished the foamy silver slime. I really like the foamy slime. Yeah, I love foamy slime. I love making it. But you know, guys, that was that one, and I got slime all over my head. Make sure y'all wash that off before you touch your hair or clothes or whatever. So next slime, we're gonna be. I already put the stuff in. I'm just adding the eye wash and shaving cream, and gonna be adding the next glitter, which is gonna be green. Oh, did I say green? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I meant to say red. I'm just wandering off. And yeah, and this is perfect for like a Christmas slime. I got all the Christmas colors. So if you want to make slime on Christmas for someone who really loves slime, for someone special, this is the slime you guys should be making. So I'm just mixing it up. And that's that right there, guys. This is also foamy slime, but I really like this foamy slime better. It came out better. The texture came out better than the other one, than the silver one. But that's that, guys. So I kind of just sit there and play with it for a little bit. And if you guys want to see more slime videos, all you have to do is comment below. And if you want to see something different, all you have to do is comment below. This will not be the last slime video, so prepare to see more slime videos. But until then, just let me know what else you want to see next. And I'll probably be making another slime video tomorrow, cause I'm a little sick today. But yeah, I love you guys so much. And that was 3 different glitter slimes. And I'll see y'all later. Hope you like this one. Alright guys, so this is all the three slime videos. All the three. Really? I'm so sorry guys, I'm drifting off. This is all the slides that we made. The two foamy ones. That's the one I like the best. And the stretchy silky one. Um so I hope you like this. I hope you try it at home. I hope you get good results. And yeah, so thank you guys. Love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And I guess I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow or whatever. Love you guys. Peace, YouTube fam.